As planning and performance data grows more detailed, organizations need a faster way to identify the insights that matter most to their business. With Pervasive Insights, you can access EPM insights directly from forms and dashboards and review relevant findings in the context of the data you are already viewing. You can review insights directly in your workflow, based on the POV of your current data view, rather than having to navigate to the insights list, making insights easier to access. The insight job must already have run for the relevant data before you can see Pervasive Insights in forms and dashboards. To review insights, click the Insights icon in the upper right corner. The Insights panel opens and displays the insights available for the current POV. If GenAI is enabled, the panel displays a GenAI-enhanced summary of the insights. If GenAI is not enabled, the panel shows the number of insights identified and categorizes them by insight type. When a GenAI summary is available, it provides a concise headline view across all insight types before you inspect individual findings. You can maximize the Insights panel, which makes it easy to see insights details. The summary organizes findings by insight type. You can review if the important signals are anomalies, forecast variance and bias insights, prediction insights, period movement variance insights, or a mix of insight types. You also see displaying all insights available as of date, which indicates when the currently displayed insights were last generated. This helps you assess the freshness of the insights and decide whether the insights job should be run again to reflect more recent data changes. Insights are grouped by type. Expand a group to review the detailed insights in that category. You can review priority, details, POV, impact, and created. You can also sort the list to focus on higher impact or more recent insights. Then use the Details link for an insight to move from the Summary panel into the full Insight Details page. With Pervasive Insights, review key findings in context and act faster without leaving your current workflow. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.